Back with another video today, guys. We have stuff falling over. We have a Celebrations box. Sorry for the spacing. And two Arceus V figure collection boxes. I'm gonna rearrange stuff here and jump into this Celebrations box. Wow, this is a whole kind of thing here. So there's those. Those do look pretty cool. Looks like all four. Why do we have an extra card back there? Is that on purpose? Can anybody read that? There you go. You get that. I'm curious. I'll mess with that later if that was supposed to be there by design. We have that. We have really cool code card there. And then 1, 2, 3. All this plastic. 4, 5, and 6 packs. Celebrations are harder to come by now. What are they? 4 cards per. We pulled some pretty good stuff. We could use the gold. But let's start with Darkness Ablaze. We can use the gold Mew and the Charizard. But we're in Darkness Ablaze. We pulled a lot of Darkness Ablaze. I'd be shocked to get something new. But maybe we'll get lucky. Clink, Ursaring, and Darmanitan. 1 pack down. Oop, forgot that roll. So now, do we even want to? That's a bummer. All right. My son is joining us on today's video. You'll hear him in the background. Okay.
I'm not going to go outside though, okay?
Okay. Yes.
Mommy should not go outside if you see Daddy. Mommy!
Extra treat for anybody that has the volume up. You got kids, you understand. I love it. Kyogre, Groudon. That's new one. Yes, son.
I left it open because the glass is inside.
Thank you.
Daddy, what is in the other walls? What's in the other walls?
I don't know.
Different moves. Daddy.
Yes, son.
You know what's in the other walls? You know what's in the other walls? See? You know what it is in the other walls?
What?
In the other walls.
What's in the other walls?
That wall is just the living room inside it.
Very cool.
Okay. Daddy.
Yes, son.
Where are the golf clubs? Why you don't have cake clubs? Where are the cake clubs for me?
There, I have them put away.
I'll eat the cake clubs.
No, those are Daddy's golf clubs.
Well, I put in there. Is there TV somewhere in here?
There's no TV in here.
Yeah. But why?
Noah, you want this?
I'm gonna put. Is it Pokemon?
It is Pokemon.
I'm gonna put it with the other Pokemon downstairs in the basement.
Okay.
Do they got this one Pokemon?
Yeah, you can put that with the other Pokemon toys in the basement.
I was. Who name?
Arceus.
Arceus. Mm. Look at what I'm doing to Arceus. I'm doing the Arceus.
You're a silly guy.
Daddy, look at that pretty thing.
This one?
What one?
What do you see?
That pretty black thing. Yeah. What is that?
That's just something that goes outside.
Daddy, look what I found. Look what I found. Ghostbuster. So this, I go to this store. I go to this store. I go to this store and I got this awesome. Look at, I see a ghost. I see a ghost, Daddy.
Very cool.
Look at the ghost.
You got him?
Yeah.
Catching ghosts with the shopping bag. This is a Ghostbusters house.
Daddy, are there real Ghostbusters here?
Where?
Okay.
Where?
Are there real Ghostbusters where we live?
I've never seen them. Doesn't mean they're not real.
Well, are there real Ghostbusters?
What do you think?
There's real Ghostbusters.
You think there are?
Yeah. Daddy. Look what I did.
Oh boy, you broke it. That's okay.
Daddy. Daddy.
Where did you put the toy I gave you?
Daddy, look at it.
Oh, there he is.
Daddy,
Yes, son.
this is the bucket we use for my vomit. This is the bucket we use for my vomit.
Okay.
This is the bucket we use for my vomit.
Okay.
Look at it.
I see it. Can you close the door?
But the garage connects to the house.
I know. Okay, you can leave it.
I want to take it for mommy to leave.
Okay, close the door behind you.
So why?
Just do it.
What did you say?
Just do it.
You want to be by yourself?
No, you can come back.
But you said close the door.
I just like that door closed. Uh-oh, I hear him. He's coming back. Wish I had that much energy. Last pack.
Daddy,
Yes, son.
so What does real Ghostbusters?
Yep.
What are the real
Thanks, guys.
Ghostbusters